Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup content on here and I try to post weekly. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I came from looking like this until looking like this. Make sure to stay tuned after the intro. So I'm going to do like an everyday look. I'm going to go in with some moisturizer and this is going to be used as the primer. And I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Since it is the winter months, I'm going to go in with a more full coverage foundation. So I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals foundation. If I can get it open. Finally. And I'm just going to put that on the top of the cap. And I'm going to take a basic foundation brush and sort of just paint the face. Starting from the center, then dragging it downwards, so that I can ensure that there is going to be enough product for an even distribution. Then after when I apply the foundation, I'm going to go in with circular motions. And if you have a beard, what I do is literally just go down. I don't go under, but I just go down over top of the beard so that the product can get in between the exposed parts of the hair or the skin. And where I have a boxed hairline, I'm going to go ahead and take whatever's left over and sort of just bring it up into the hairline so that I can make sure that my foundation is blending seamlessly with the hair. And to add a little more of a radiant glow, I'm going to go in with a more luminous skin-like foundation by About Face. And I'm just going to apply that in the center of the forehead and down the nose and a little bit on the chin. I'm basically using this like the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm going to go ahead and quickly blend that out with the brush. Now I'm starting to look human again. I'm going to go in with the Clean Concealer by CoverGirl. This gives more like a skin-like finish. I'm going to spot conceal on some areas. I'm going to go in with a concealer brush and just blend that out underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a damp sponge and sort of just melt the product into the skin so that it can be a little more seamless. And also blend out the lines on the forehead. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the face with my CoverGirl Clean Invincible Setting Powder. And make sure that you blend out the settled product out from your fine lines or also wrinkles so that you can have more of a seamless look. And I'm going to bake around the crevices right here of the nose. I forgot to add blush and bronzer. Fuck it. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the face. Then once again, I'm going to go in with my sponge. Force that to soak into the skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and add blush. This is a different technique. Set the face first, then I add the rest of the products. Then you go in and set it again. What I like to do is take a little bit on the back of my hand right there and take a foundation brush, blend it in on the back of your hand like this. Then sort of just tap that over the face. You see how that looks natural? I love it. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer and take a little bit on the side of the nose, through the hairline. Then I'm going to take this contour brush, blend out on the side of the nose first, and sort of just bring it inwards so that I can create a little bit of an ombre bronze look with the blush. Now I'm going to take the brush and blend out the side of the forehead, dragging it inwards so that it won't look muddy. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to go ahead and take into the hollows of the cheeks. I recently got this product in PR through Influenster. This is Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter sticks with vitamin E oil. I swatched it on the back of my hand. I thought it was real pretty and I think it would look good for an everyday look. I'm afraid that it might end up, the way I ended up pulling it, I was afraid that it was end up going to disturb the foundation underneath. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take tapping motions and just apply it like that. Then I'm going to blend it out with my sponge. I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge and now blend that out. Maybe I should use a mirror. That gives like a natural radiant look, at least on camera. In person, what I'm seeing right now, it does emphasize a lot of the texture and also the fine lines, but at the same time, it still looks pretty. My personal review is that this is a 4 out of 5. I do quite like it. And now I'm going to go in with some pressed powder. If you're not doing pressed powder, then you're missing out. What you literally do with pressed powder is you roll it. You don't brush it over the face like setting powder, loose setting powder. You roll it across the face so that it can hide any pores and also make things look a little more seamless. I'm going to take a little bit in the center of the forehead too. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the lips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the lips. I'm going to take a gold lip liner or also eyeliner. This one's by LA Colors. And I'm just going to go line the lips, then add some lip gloss. And I'm just going to do the high points of my lips. You can barely see it's there, but it's there. Now I'm going to take a clear gloss by Hard Candy and just apply it on the lips. I want like an ultra natural looking look. That's the reason why I went with that. Now we're going to go ahead and do mascara. I love this mascara. This is better than the clean mascara. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher in the shade Black Brown. This wand makes this look absolutely natural, where it literally has like the curved wand. You see how natural that looks? It's beautiful. I forgot to do my eyeshadow. You can tell it's been a while. Don't worry, I'll get back into the routine of this. Well, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows real quick. I'm just gonna put brow gel through it. Technique that I like to use that I saw off of a girl off of TikTok was that you literally take your brow mascara, you go downwards first so that you can ensure that you're getting the top to the bottom fully saturated. Then you go inwards, then you go out, then you shape your brows. You see how that looks? That looks so good. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. My brows are not twins. Now my lashes are set, so I can go ahead and cheat and take some highlighter, liquid highlighter, go on the inner corner and blend it out. And since there is a sticky base, then I'm gonna go in with a cream product and sort of just go on the upper brow bone right here to give it more of a natural look. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with a setting powder and literally set everything into place so that it won't crease around. Now once again, I'm gonna go in with some setting spray. Allow that to naturally dry. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love, and until next time, bye.